Okay, guys, ipakita ko sa inyo itong commercial lot na binibenta ko ha. This is located outside ng Villa Elijah 2 subdivision. Diyan po sa may barangay Kalubkub, Silang, Cavite. So, okay, so as you can see in the video guys, kalsada talaga yung nasa labas niyan, okay? So, subdivision naman yung nasa likod. And around this area ay meron also nakatayo dyan na isang 3-story commercial building. Kaya kung kayo po ay this is ideal for apartment or mga opisina para po sa inyong mga negosyante. So, pwedeng commercial yung baba, apartment yung second floor, and then residential nyo yung third floor. So, up to 3 floors po, yung pa rin yung ilagay sa building na ito. So, ano to? 200 square meters for 2.6 million pesos.